Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change your AOL mail password. So you have an AOL mail account that you use to receive and send emails. You use that account to access the AOL web portal as well. And now you're worried about the security and you think your password is not secure enough and you want to change the password to increase the account security, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to change your AOL mail password in very easy way. It's a very simple process, you'll have no problem doing it. So the first thing you have to do in order to change your AOL mail password is open your web browser and go to AOL mail. Once you search for AOL mail, tap on the first thing that shows, which is mail.aol.com. Once you tap on that email, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to change the password from. If not, go ahead and log into that account. Once you log into that account, you'll land on an interface like this. Now from here, to change the password, what you need to do is tap on the options button just below your account name. Now from the drop down menu, what you have to do is tap on account info. Once you tap on account info, you'll be redirected to a page like this. Now here what you need to do is go to account security from the left side list. Once you go to account security, you land on an interface like this. Once you scroll down a little, here you'll see a section labeled as password. In this section, here you'll have the option labeled as change password. So to change the AOL mail password, tap on that option. Once you tap on that option, AOL will ask you to solve a puzzle, so go ahead and solve this puzzle. Once you solve the puzzle, tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, you land on an interface like this. Now here you'll have the option to create a new password, so go ahead and create a new password for your account. Once you create a new password, tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, you'll successfully change the password to your AOL mail account. Now you can freely enjoy sending and receiving mails and using your AOL mail account without the fear of getting a security breach. So those are the simple steps in order to change your AOL mail account password. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.